cuties, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I am going to show you an easy way to learn how to put on your eyelashes. So this is very beginner friendly for people who can't line up their lashes good with their real lash line, and you know, you have spacing and you have lifting. Okay, so I'm going to get to the video and hopefully you guys can learn something and take something from it. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. I will have everything down in the description bar. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So now I'm taking my favorite lashes from Coco Lashes, and I'm applying my favorite lash glue from Kiss. This is the clear kind. I like it because it looks more natural when you apply your lashes, and everything looks clear and neat. You don't see any glue with this. So I'm just showing you how much glue I put on, not too much, not too little, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other lash. Again, not too much glue, just enough to cover the lash band, and just make sure you add an extra amount on the ends. Okay, so now I go ahead and put my lashes to the side and let the glue get tacky for about a few minutes, and I go ahead and take the same lash glue and I apply it on my lash line, as you can see here. Basically, you apply the lash glue like you would apply liquid eyeliner. So I have a problem because my eyelashes are really curly, so I always get glue, I always get eyeliner and all that on my lashes regardless, so don't worry about that. Most people don't have that problem, but if you do, it's okay. Just wipe it off before it gets tacky. So what this does, it helps create like double-sided tape for your lashes. So even if you miss putting your lashes in the right spot, you drew that line on perfectly straight, so you can always get it in the right place when you're applying your lashes. So I figured out that when I followed the instructions on the lash glue, it would say like 30 seconds, 45 seconds to get tacky. That is not enough time for me. So I like to let my glue sit for at least like 2 minutes or something while I'm like doing something else, my eyebrows or something. So when you do that, when you finally let the glue from the lashes touch the glue on your lash line, it is going to connect instantaneously. It is not going to move out of the place you put it, and it's going to be in the perfect position. All you have to do is just make sure you put your lashes as close to your lash line as possible, and it's not going to move. Like, that's perfect. You can see I can line up my ends as close as possible as I want to. I can pick them up and put them right back down, and it's going to be in place. And all that's left to do now is to curl my lashes to make sure everything is going to blend seamlessly. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if these tips were helpful for you. Hopefully they were. And catch me on my next video. Bye.